everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are watching the 2023 fantasy drama film called The Magician's Elephant. The orphan boy Peter sets out to find his missing sister. He asks a fortune teller if she is still alive. She advises him to find a magician with an elephant, but Peter must then complete 3 difficult tasks.
Whoa.
One question. Careful.
My sister. How do I find her?
Follow the magician's elephant.
My sister lives, and I need to follow an elephant.
There are no elephants.
I have one final trick.